This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the pop-up blocker on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable the pop-up blocker, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to the Permissions section, and down towards the bottom of the Permissions section, Block pop-up windows. By default, this should be checked. Your browser is blocking pop-up windows, but to disable that, you just uncheck the box, and now the pop-up blocker is disabled. That is how to enable or disable the pop-up blocker in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.